Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce how to use the Python script to simulate FortiGate SSLVPN access. Let's have a look. We have a FortiAnzlyzer. In our FortiAnzlyzer, we have a function called FortiView. In the FortiView, we have a function called SSLVPN, SSL and IPsec. So in here, we can see a lot of information if you in your network. Let me have a look some old data. If here we have a SSL access, we can see there's some information as user and with type, VPN type, connection, and send and receive, connection duration, kind of things. But this function has a limitation. You can see here. This for top 100 and the maximum is 1000. So if the user is above 1000, could not show all of them here. So I want to have a method to know how to see all of them. So I just try to use a function to test whether I can generate such of the log and then find a function. What I initial requirement is I just create 120 access, and then in this top view only show 100. You could not show it, and then find a method to show all of them. This is my requirement. For this kind of generate test, so we have a product called FortiTester. In FortiTester, we have a performance. We can do the VPN SSLVPN simulate this kind of access. This is test establish a large number of concurrent SSLVPN tunnel connections. I think that one maybe can match my requirement. So let's have a look. We have this is a basic define, and you can see network setting and include IP address range. Here is what I interesting. It can simulate users 256, and the tunnel concurrent connection is 512. I think that one is already over the 100, so it may can generate such of logs or the informations. But a little bit interesting is here. VPN username is only one user. Maybe it's not fully match my requirement. Let's have a see a VPN setting. In here we can see user. We have test 1 and test 2, and in SR setting we have this 2 is a tunnel, and this one is a web mode. And we have the policy of permit SSLVPN. In this group, we define only one user, VPN test. So let me use FortiTester simulator test 12. This is a tunnel access. So let me start. In here, when you start, we can check the CPU and the load and also the sessions. Yeah, we can see the sessions increase a lot. Concrete is over 1000. Yeah, it start working. So let me check the SSLVPN monitor. Well, we can see it's already have a 509. Yeah, it's okay. So in here we can see it's going. Okay, let's is running for a while. After it's finished, let me go back. Pause for a while. Okay, this one is finished. So let me have a look. Yeah, it's all done. Let me go to the FortiAnzlyzer. It lasts 30 minutes. Yeah, from log, I didn't only get one log. This is not what I, even he has so many different IP address access, but it's only one firewall log for here, so it's not a match requirement. So I just want to find another method to do it. So I just want from here, this is SSLV. VPN. So we see what we can do in the web mode. So we have this page, and then put in username, password, login, and then we have a quick connection. We'll launch it. Okay, here we'll access Google, and then we can close it, and then log off and close. That is a fully VPN SSLVPN web model access. So it will generate one log. So that one is making me thinking is that we can use a script to simulate what I just the manual operation, and then it may if I have a 120 access should be generated the log, it will be match my requirement. So let me see, in Python there has this method. We can see in Python this there has an automation test module, and from this module, and we can use a Chrome drive, and then he can open a Chrome to performance what my manual operation, and here's our login, and this one is with the certification, and we just click, and then the users and the credential. Well, how I find this one? Let's go back to here. In here, when we see in the network, so we can click here, and then it will show how what's the link at here, and then we can copy it. Copy XPath. Yeah. So this is what we got. So the link at here. So in script, so we just put in here, we just put the send key. That is what type username, credential. We have the same thing, and then the login button. We click. So this is simulator the first page. I log in, and then with 3 seconds, and then this is the URL what we can. After login, we will have this portal, and we will get the key to collect the quick connection, and then next we can type it here. If you want to do more tests, so you can put more site at here. But this one I just want to simply show it. So I just put Google it very quick. Let me write. Okay, you can load, and then here will connect, quick connect, and you can see this Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, so it's not controlled by me. So this is I used the Python script simulated the FortiGate SSLVPN access, and this one is log off, close. So this is pretty clean. So in here, there's only one user currently. So I want to make more users. Okay. So let me use script, create accounts. So in here, like before, we have FortiGate, we have token. This is target link is for user local. This is the full link for the users. And then we create user loop, create 120 users. Username is SSL1 to SSL120, and the password is for FortiNet. That one is for simple test. It's not public, so that one is for test purpose. Not secure enough, but it's okay. So when you use this one for loop 120 times, and then create all these users, and then we put them to a list, append them together, and put in the VPN group. And in this group, it will be put. We use a put method. That one is modify, it's not create. So that will be create 120 users and put in the group. Let's be right. Yeah, this one is quick. You can see here. Yeah, we can see all the as our user is created, and the group is at here. Yeah. Okay. After that, we can run the access like this one by one. But that one will be, if you use this one by one, is take a long time and a manual operation. So I just use this as a function at here. So I just copy all this one to here, put this one like a function, and then I use the multiprocessing. From there, I create a 16. So that means I will use 16 users same time to access, do the simulate SSLVPN access. I just running from the command line. Multi-access. Okay. So in background, you can see he create a 16 process. So you can see the web page, Chrome, just 16 is running. Okay. Have a look here. Monitor. Yeah. Someone is already finished, so he will get a new one to running. Okay, from 12, 16. After 16 finish, he will be changed to the other username to do it. So you can see the load, yeah, and here, and we can see here. You can see the SSLVPN load and here. Firewall, and this is my machine is running 16 Chrome at here, and we can see the load is pretty high. Some is idle is 3 or 5, so I just this is why I select 16. It's not create two more maybe we could not handle it. Okay, let's be pause for a while and the waiting is completed. Okay, looks is finished. So we do not have so many Chrome at again. You can see SSLVPN also is back to normal. So let me see in here. The script is running finished. So we have each task has one user and how many time he's running. Okay. Okay, it's all good now. So let me go to analyzer and then finish. Okay, so we have 100 at here because we show at here, and in fact we have more than 100 record. Have 120. So in one page we could not see it, how to make it working for us. So we have these tools called export to report chart. We put this one like VPN, and then keep in mind here top. Yeah, okay. This top 0 is no limit because the default is 50, the limitation, not as often. So I already put in the VPN test. So let's we go to the report. We go to the chart. In here. Yeah, this is the export from the FortiView. In here, we can see has the name, and he also has a data set. And in here, we must keep in mind here 0 is for all result. We keep it 0, and then we go to data set. Yeah, this is in the background. Use this set to access the database. From the database, it will give us the result of the VPN SSLVPN dial-up VPN access. In here, we have a the increase or decrease, and if there's a limit 50, you need to remove from here. Otherwise, it will causing problem. Only list 50. So we have checked the dataset, just no limit. Chart library in the chart, no limit. So we go to report, we create a report. In the report, we select in the setting, we select the device, and in layout, we just use this chart. So when we click insert chart, so we just insert this chart, VPN test, and give a title. So, and then we come back, run the report. He will give you a full format, one is HTML, PDF, XML, and CSV. You can review them. Okay, this is we just finished. In here, we can see user VPN type and last connection, connect from which IP address, and receive and send bytes, how many connections, and the duration. All of the is like the FortiView show at there. And in here, you can see there has 122 or something. This is the beginning. We have the test VPN tunnel test use FortiTester, and above that one is for web mode access, and all the other is use the Python script to generate SSLVPN access. Okay, that one is you can use the Python script to simulate the FortiGate SSLVPN web access. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.